What?
please.
Whoa,
Here.
what's going on? What's up?
Try and get it down now.
You serious?
But I bet you don't have the balance to do this. Ready? Interlock your hands. Push down. And look at the bottom of your foot behind you. Aye.
Welcome. Can I take your order?
Yeah. Can I get lettuce and tomatoes? Yeah, and a ranch.
Okay, let me get this straight. You want a lettuce and tomato with ranch? No, I'm kidding, man. I love the British accent, dude.
Yeah, cool.
What do you want to drink?
To drink, can I just get...
What?
Can I get some water?
Don't you mean a bottle of water? A bottle of water?
Hi, my friend. All of us go check up my father.
Wrong sức lao. Wrong sức lao. She will. She will.
Let him suck it.
Do.
More clothes?
What?
It's just that you bought clothes 2 years ago, so I don't know why you keep needing to buy more. You're not wasting your money. How much you pay for that?
£300.
40 quid. 40 quid? Pay me rent with that. It's ridiculous. Have you eaten? I don't even know why that's relevant. Why do you care about if I've eaten or not? It's not affecting you, is it? Where are you off to now? I'm just seeing a mate. Just a mate? What's his name? Charlotte. Charlotte? What are you going to do with Charlotte? We're having sex. Is that what you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Oh, he plays baseball.
You're not going on no bases with our daughter.
Oh, you're taking her to dinner.
Eat this.
So you want to go out with my daughter? Okay.
So you like our daughter?
That's strike number 1.
All right, have a good night. Be home by 10.
So I'm thinking about watching a movie. Laptop's frozen. I'm thinking that's all good. I can just watch it on TV. TV's frozen.
The neighborhood kids knocked on my friend's little brother's door, but he didn't want to play. So he wanted me to answer the door for him.
Hi, is Luke home?
Luke, are you home?
Come on, Luke.
Yeah?
Hey, one more. Yeah, coming right up. So how's dating life going? You know, I've tried Finder, Fumble, Patch.com, nothing. Maybe you should just look up from your phone and... Oh, wait, look at this guy, Diego. He looks like a jobless poser that peaked in high school. Tell me how you really feel. He seems nice, likes wine, afternoon naps. Yeah, 'cause he doesn't have a job. Like sarcastic, possibly alcoholic single moms with above average kids. It's oddly specific. Here you go, ladies. I couldn't help but overhear you two ladies were looking for a man. Singular. Scout leader Boone. Listen, I like the women the way I like my alcohol. Hot, spicy, and temporarily fixes my problems until the morning. Oh my god. Ugh. Oh, that's awful. Get out, Boone, you cut off. You're lost. Some men. They suck. I bet Diego's not like that, though. Make it a double.
Oh, yo, grab my cord right there. Grab my cord right there.
Grab it yourself, bro.
Daddy.
Yo, don't do that. Do not do that, my man. Like, why you, like, in my ear, bro? In my ear. And daddy? I'm not your daddy, my man. I'm not your daddy. Don't moan in my fucking ear. Next time, get it yourself. I'm trying to help you out. Daddy? You want your cord so bad? Here. Daddy? Get the fuck out of my car.
Only exists in your mind.
Send this video to your best friend.
Is it true? Huh? Is it true that you're a bitch?
Do you want to explain?
I'm telling you, that is not what we discussed. Let me call her. That is not.
It's not my beef, but you know, we team Bryce out here. That's right. Even the paparazzi team Bryce. Oh God.
We team Bryce out here. Even the paparazzi team Bryce on God.
Why can't you be more like Kyle? He's always respectful. He always does the right thing. Mom, Kyle drinks weed. Yeah, he's a drug dealer. He wears an ankle monitor. He's literally been to prison. Not that bad now, am I?
All this bacteria. You already know it's about that season. Yeah, and I heard they got this new seasoning called COVID. COVID. Yeah. I heard about that, but we gotta find the right person for that. And I heard it's strong too. Oh, I got a little STDs in mine, but I ain't gonna judge. Be careful. Be careful. Yeah, I spit it out. You remember that time we drank Ariana Grande blood? Like it was yesterday. Hurry before she end the concert. Hold on, let me see him. Oh, what is this? They said her blood type B+. Oh, so we sipping on that brandy. Yeah. Have you ever loved somebody? Good times. I think this the COVID. Try it. Oh, I'm taking some of this home. Let me just get in this car real quick. In that car. You alright? It sounded like you got hit.
Sawyer, do you like your glasses?
Hey Sawyer, your glasses look amazing. And you know, without my glasses, I feel like I just don't look as cool. And you know, with them, they help me see. They give me superpowers. So, I'm your glasses buddy now, and we have superpowers, which makes us way cooler than everybody else.
Watch this.
Let's go.
Did you forget something?
No, keep at home.
Where's your ass?
Looking in the mirror, Tico, face to face, and tell by themselves, fuck you, Tico. What? One day you will make me look my ass, Tico.
I don't hate you. I just don't feel like talking right now.
Oh, thank God.
Alright, let's use drink. Hit a lemon, keep it natural. Pinch of salt for the taste. Triple twirl, no more. Tap it, make sure it works. We're ready to go. Oh, this is a cool mixing set. Where'd you get that from? No shot is from Home Sense, eh? Never is. That's tough. Oh, precision on the pour. That went fly at a college bar. Oh, what's that? Fancy juice. Just a splash. Don't want to dilute it too bad. Quick mix. Get a taste. Make sure you like it. Don't want to serve anything you wouldn't have, huh? Professional. Committed to the craft. Oh, that's a powerful shake. Crazy the amount of mobility Buddy has in a suit, eh? Do you stretch? Shaken, never stirred. Like $27 at the bar, 9 out of 10.
Cuckoo. Loopy.
Roger that. Clear for takeoff, 22 left direct transition, raise 5 departure for American 1337. Thursday. Yes, sir, I understand that. You already said it.
Can I date your sister?
She's 10.
She's 10. Oh, all right. Well, hey, man, look, I'm going to pass on that. I didn't mean to ask you. I can tell you're really uncomfortable, but I just want to say that I hope you have a great day.
You too, man.
Can I date your sister?
No.
Why? I would treat your sister amazing.
Okay, first she has a boyfriend and...
Oh, but I bet I could beat her boyfriend up. Yeah. Yup, I'm about it. Are you about it? Are you about that?
Sure.
All right, exactly. Now walk away from me now. Thanks.
What
If you're a woman and you want to go to Japan, there's always one thing that you need to avoid. Old Japanese businessmen. I've had 3 notable accounts with them. The first one, an old Japanese man decided to grab my bra in public. Number 2, I was shopping in Ikebukuro and some random man came up to me, grabbed my hand and started pulling me towards a bar saying, "Asobanai?" 3, I've had many incidents of men groping me on the train in Japan, but one in particular that stands out is when a man decided to touch my inner legs pretending to be asleep. Yeah, Japan is not the pretty magical place that you think it is.
This sentence is dramatically erect, but it's flirty and hard to sneeze. Luckily, Germany can help. Flirgendergerbling.
Your spoon or fork, but you happen to have a baby bell pepper, don't?
If I don't have a spoon or fork, why the fuck would I have a baby bell pepper, Janelle? I'm doing it over the summer. Basketball.
Tell me the biggest lie an adult has ever told you, and when you figured out it was a lie.
My mom told me and my sister that if we ever smoked marijuana, we would shit our pants. She said it ran in our family, and she said one time my aunt tried marijuana and she shit her pants, and one time my cousin tried marijuana and he shit his pants, and it was just a thing that happened in our family. So when we went to parties and people offered us marijuana, we would say no because we were afraid that we were going to shit our pants. It's honestly good parenting.
What's your name? Hunter. I'm scared, Hunter. Don't worry. If I were you, I would just run to the woods. Don't try to get the weapons. Is that what you're gonna do? Yeah. Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go! Keep going, don't look back! Hunter, come on! What?
Hey! Hey! Get that one over there!
So I was just filming my friend eat some ice cream.
You gotta savor this.
Bro, come on. Uh-oh.
No.
Do it.
Oh, hey, there goes Axel. Fucking that truck from the Cars movie is about to be right behind me, bro.
You! Oh, shit!
What the fuck is going on?
Do you guys want to learn how to do ventriloquism? Here we go, I'm going to teach you. Here's what I do. I start off with the ABCs. And for those of you who are like, Darcy, how the heck do you get the B's and the P's and the M's and the hard letters? Here's how I do it. So, instead of actually saying a B, you're going to say a D instead, but it's a lot of tongue work, so you're going to like click your tongue like right there when you say it. Here's how it's going to watch. That man. See my tongue? That man. So it kind of sounds like that man or dat man, but if you use your tongue, that man. That man. You know what I mean? It's a lot of tongue work. For P, you'll say a T instead, like peanut butter. Do you see how it kind of sounds like a T, but it also sounds like a P? You put it all together. That man loves peanut butter. Peanut butter. Peanut butter. Ah, yeah.
Y'all ever notice how Asian characters in movies are all Oh no! We need a hacker to get past this point. If only someone here knew how to code. Why are y'all looking at me? I can't fucking code! I broke into the base. You're a lifesaver, Kevin Wong! It's about time I stopped being so submissive. Wait, that was it? That was my fucking character development? Like, I took off my glasses? Are you guys serious? And you can do Kung Fu now. What? How does that make any—
It's hard for my daughter to eat carrots because of her braces, so what I do is I slice them really thin with the mandolin, and then I put them into some cold water overnight in the fridge, and then they're like these fun little ribbons, and they don't get caught in her teeth, and she can still eat carrots.
Yeah! They acted taking kids, bruh! For real. They said the dude had on red shoes, some black shorts, and dreads. I was like, what? Bro, when I find him, I'm gonna have to beat the shit out of him, bro. I can't deal with the competition. It's crazy.
Yo, bro, who you describing right now?
What you mean?
You sound like, you talking about kidnapping kids and stuff.
Yeah.
You sound like you describing me.
No, that don't sound nothing like you.
Swear.
Swear. I just,
What you mean, bro?
What you doing? Back up, bro.
I'm literally a news anchor, so if I can't do this, that's just sad.
3, 2, 1.
Law enforcement seized over a dozen firearms and over 3,000 rounds of ammunition during a routine traffic stop. Friday evening, a DPS trooper tried to conduct a stop on a gray Honda traveling west on US 83 near La Jolla. The driver refused, leading to a vehicle pursuit where the driver was taken into custody. The trooper searched the car and found 16 firearms and 3,520 rounds of ammo. The firearms included high-powered fully automatic rifles, handguns, and a 50 caliber rifle. Authorities believe the weapons were destined for Mexico.
How do you feel about Mexicans?
How do I feel about Mexican? My guy, I made you one. Look at it. She's right there. The greatest investment ever. They cook, they clean, they fix cars, they do everything. The best thing is, they give me kids.
Dad, let me ask you, if you walked in on mom cheating on you, how would you react?
Let me show you. What's going on here? Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson? Sorry to disturb you. Continue. You guys are playing Twister without me? Come on, that's my game. Karen, you know where my other sock... Is he wearing my sock? Ha ha! I knew it! I knew it! Hi, my name is Frank.
I honestly don't understand why people keep commenting the pride emojis. Like, baby, I have explained this multiple times. I am a vegetarian. I am a whole vegetarian, okay?
Hold on. Look at me when I say this. You're this. You're delusional. You're. Look.
Girl! I'm a vegetarian! Let them know.
Who said that? Who said that?
I said that.
Your look?
I identify as a vegetarian.
Look. Queen.